Well, here you have it, folks. 1957 Chevy Bel Air AMT model kit. It took a little while for me to finish this one up. Some of the parts were a little bit on the finicky side to attach them. Other than that, I think it turned out great. It's a beautiful rose gold color, and the interior is kind of a coral. It really makes it pop. It really stands out nice. Decals were a bit finicky to put on. I ended up having to Mod Podge them on a little bit because they just weren't sticking to the paint. But all in all, it turned out beautiful. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff for me if you don't mind. Thank you, everyone. We'll talk to you on the next one.